Hey whales, good morning. Happy Thursday. It's June the 19th. Let's recap the markets and go over Tesla. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for my trades, you can see year to date, guys, up 78K USD, 59% win rate. So super proud of myself so far. Been a great start to the first 6 months of the year. And you can see for this month here in June, up 8.4K USD, 83% win rate. And we did take a few trades across Tesla as well as QUBT this week. So again, from the calendar view, solid start to the month. And hopefully I can keep up this momentum for the rest of the weeks ahead. So guys, all my trades that you see here, I actually posted over in Discord. So you can come into Discord and you'll get access to the Day Trades Ideas channel. This channel is essentially where I post all my pre-market scans, right, that I go and I look for my day trades for the day, right? So for Oscar, right, you get the entry zones, target, stop losses. This was a winning trade on Oscar. And then from there, out of all these trades, I go here to my trades forum and I tell you exactly the trade that I'll be going into. So for instance, for Robinhood, right, this is the entry, target, stop loss, and then, I'll tell you exactly when I get filled. And then I'm out of Robinhood, done for the day for another win, right? So you get that exact commentary. So you're learning, you're earning while, trading alongside myself as well as, the 1,000+ members we're here that are here in Discord. So I look forward to seeing you here. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Tesla, guys. So overall, on the weekly time frame, we're still calling for Tesla to continuously be in a bullish sequence and bullish bias. So this roadmap, right, we're working on a wave 1, A, B, C flat correction to finish off a wave 2. And from here, we're calling the lows for now and looking for further upside towards, all-time highs. Now, this basic structure is telling me to not be bearish on Tesla, to continue to buy the dips along the way and keep pushing Tesla higher, especially on the longer time frames, okay? So let's see how things unfold. But we just got to get through sort of this wave 1, possible wave 2 before higher. Okay. Now going down to the 4-hour time frame, nothing has really changed from my past videos. The main idea still remains the same. Working on a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish off in blue for all of a wave 1 sequence, and then you can see potential W, X, Y wave for a wave 2 before higher. Now surprise, wave 2 could be in, and we take this alternative path. But either or, guys, right? We're looking for only long positions, as I've mentioned, because of the fact that not only is the weekly bullish, but the 4-hour time frame as well here is also bullish. So I'm going to keep going with that trend. As long as this invalidation level holds, right, we're going to stick to the trend that Tesla is going to stay bullish. Now, some things we need to be mindful of, right? The reason why this is possible for a WX up and then a Y wave coming down is because if you take a look at sort of the main ETFs, for instance, the S&P 500, looks like we're working on a potential wave 4 in blue, right? So this would be wave 4 in blue coming down, up for that wave 5, and then that larger correction for this wave 2. So if you take a look on Tesla, same thing, going down for that wave 4 on the S&P 500, going up for that wave 5 on S&P 500, and then coming down for that larger correction for that wave 2, which will coincide with a wave 2 here in Tesla. Okay, same thing with the Qs for the technology ETFs. You can see working on potentially a wave 4, 5, ABC down for 2. So getting very close to potentially, a top of this cycle. We don't know when a top's going to be. We don't know how it's going to look like. But I'm staying very cautious at these levels. I'm staying cautiously bullish at these levels, right? And I mentioned in my past videos over and over again, we were starting to get some bearish divergences forming between the 3, 4, and 5 in red count across all the indices as well. You can take a look around the world on the DAX in Germany. It looks like it's starting a wave 4. You can look at the FTSE, right, in India. It looks like it's starting a wave 4. So everything is looking like, right, it's starting sort of that corrective pullback sequence that is still bullish. So we'll see how things play out, but my main count is this, and then, surprise, wave 2 is in. We'll take this alternative path instead. We don't break lower. Okay, so we'll just have to wait and see. But keep buying the dips, guys. You're gonna be just fine overall, and I'll update you guys every day in case things change, in case biases change. And yeah, have a great rest of your Friday coming up tomorrow, and have a great weekend. See ya.